Hello and welcome. My name is Adeline Weisler, a coordinator for the 1818 program at St. Louis University, and I'm going to walk you through the registration process. We recommend watching this video before starting your 1818 application. If you have not already, please click below to start your 1818 application. Fill out the respective fields to create your account. Make sure to select 1818 program for your type of prospective student. After you create an account, go to the tab that says My Applications in the top right corner. You should be led to the application portal. You should see a button that says Apply for Admission toward the bottom left corner. When you hit that button, you will be led to a page that looks like this. While you are filling this application out, keep in mind that the red fields are required. Once you are on the application page, select I am a high school student looking to take classes through the 1818 Advanced College Credit Program. For your term, make sure you select the current term you are taking the course. For those of you that are taking year-long courses, registration occurred in the fall. For personal information, make sure you use your legal name, avoid nicknames, and double-check your date of birth. Use an email you use regularly, as email is our primary mode of communication. Once you have done that, proceed to demographic information and select your relative choices. Social Security numbers are not required, but if your parents or guardians would like to utilize your 1098-T form for tax returns, a Social Security number must be provided. However, it can be added at a later time. For mailing address, make sure your mailing address is valid. If your mailing address is the same as your permanent address, you can check the box to duplicate your address. Press Save and continue once you are finished. This next section is titled Academic History 1818. Enter your school name and information. It is important that you select the right school because the courses that are offered at the respective school are the ones that will show up on the next part of the application. When entering your anticipated graduation date, use slashes within the date. Hit Save and continue when finished. The next page will be where you provide your parents' or guardians' information. Go ahead and enter that in. Once you have done that, hit Save and continue. The next section is where you will enter your 1818 courses. You have to select at least one course. Students can only register for 18 hours. Once you are finished entering in your courses, the amount of credits you are taking should automatically calculate. If you do not see the course that you are looking for, go back to Academic History and make sure the right school is selected. If you selected the right school but don't still see the course, please contact your instructor or coordinator at your high school to inform them that the course is not listed on the application. Make sure to not duplicate your registration by registering for the same course twice. Once you finish all the steps, you should see a Terms of Participation section. You must agree to the terms of service to submit your application. When finished, please do not submit another application. You will then be led to a screen that says "Thank you for submitting your application." You should expect a welcome email within 7 business days, which will include your SLU account information. If you experience any issues or you have any questions regarding this application, please contact us at 1818@slu.edu. Thank you and have a great day.